Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make hot chocolate in Toca Boca. First, you will need to gather your ingredients and tools. Head to a kitchen or a shop in Toca Boca world to find everything. Look for a clean mug, a carton of milk, and a delicious chocolate bar. Don't forget to find a stove or microwave to warm your drink. This initial step is crucial for a perfect cup. Now it's time to mix your ingredients for a delightful treat. First, place your chosen mug on a flat surface, like a kitchen counter. Next, carefully drag the carton of milk and pour it into the mug. Then, take your chocolate bar and drop it right into the milk. Finally, move the mug to a stove or microwave to heat it for a few seconds until it's warm and ready. This is where the fun begins, customizing your hot chocolate. Once your drink is warm, you can add various toppings. Try dragging a can of whipped cream onto the mug for a fluffy cloud. Then, explore the decorations section for sprinkles, chocolate shavings, or even a small cookie to place on the side. There are many options to make your hot chocolate uniquely yours. Your delicious hot chocolate is now complete and ready to be enjoyed. Drag the mug to a cozy table or a comfortable seating area. You can even invite one of your Toca Boca characters to join you for this warm treat. Watch them react as they sip the customized drink you prepared. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting with new combinations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.